How to reset iPad to factory settings. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is your solution guide Bimo. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can actually reset your iPad to factory default settings. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first and first, what you have to do is, let's say that you want to actually erase your iPad to the factory default settings, or let's say you want to wipe everything on your iPad. It's very simple to do that. All you have to do is open up settings, and once you open up settings, on the left hand side you want to go to general. Once you go to general, scroll down to the very bottom and then select the option called transfer or reset iPad. Once you select transfer or reset iPad, first of all, if I tap on reset, and if you only want to reset all of the settings, not the iPad data as a whole, but only the settings such as your Wi-Fi settings, your Bluetooth settings, and any of the settings which you have customized, if you want to restore them to factory settings, then you could simply tap on erase all settings over here, and you could go ahead and then enter your passcode in order to erase your settings on your iPad. However, if you want to actually reset your iPad, then you could tap on erase all content and settings, and as you tap on erase all content and settings, you can see it says erase this iPad. You'll delete all of the apps and data, Apple ID, and Find My Activation Lock. So go ahead and then tap on continue, and you have to enter the passcode for this iPad, and you can choose what you want to backup and what you do not want to backup, and that way after you've done that, you'll be able to successfully actually erase your iPad. And this is how you can actually erase your iPad and restore them to factory default settings. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.